Thermo Fisher is enabling our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer. I'm Christine Callahan, Vice President of Global Supply Chain at Thermo Fisher Scientific, supporting bioproduction. One of our most recent product launches, which is called our Thermo Scientific Data-Drive Bioreactor, which it's an area that we've been partnering with Alvotech. This is a great example of how we are reimagining the bioreactor space and really leveraging our innovation and collaboration. And Alvotech is certainly a key customer and partner here. We are supporting biosimilars businesses that are driving access for medicines for patients around the world. Giving broader access to therapeutics is something that we can enable by partnering with Alvotech. This company is willing to engage in out-of-the-box ideas with us, and we collaborate closely, particularly in the single-use space. Close collaboration is the biggest shift that we're making very intentionally. Innovating both technically, commercially, and making sure that we bring our very best to bear for our customers and, in the end, their patients. Trying to keep everyone's eyes on the longer-term vision while solving problems in a very dynamic market.